Yo, what is up everybody? Sunil here and we are in Manila. Manila! This place is absolutely crazy. The traffic, the people, the food, I love it all. We are about to jump headfirst into the city, into the people, into the culture and experience life in Metro Manila, Philippines. In this video, we'll explore the vibrant life in some of its most dynamic cities. We're talking bustling markets, incredible food, historical landmarks, and maybe even a little karaoke. I'm so stoked to share this adventure with you, so buckle up, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's go. Alright guys, first up, Pasay City. And let me tell you, this place is a trip. First, we're hitting up the Mall of Asia. This place is huge. Like seriously, it's one of the biggest malls in Asia. They've got everything here, high-end stores, local brands, restaurants galore, even an IMAX theater. We gotta walk around, check it out, maybe grab some food, you know how I do. Okay, so the Mall of Asia was insane, but Pasay has more to offer than just shopping. We're at the cultural center of the Philippines now, and this place is beautiful. They've got theaters, art galleries, a museum, all dedicated to showcasing the rich culture and history of the Philippines. It's amazing to see the art, the music, the dance, all come together in one place. Pasay is a city of contrasts. You've got the modern marvels like the Mall of Asia, and then you've got these cultural gems like the CCP. It's a cool mix of old and new, tradition and progress, and it makes for one exciting city experience. Next stop, Makati. This is the financial hub of Metro Manila, all glass and steel skyscrapers, bustling with businessmen in suits. We're talking serious business vibes here, but don't let that fool you. Makati is also home to some of the best restaurants, bars, and clubs in the city. After the sun sets, this place comes alive. Alright, so we're in Greenbelt now, one of Makati's upscale shopping centers. This place is beautiful. Lush greenery, designer boutiques, fancy restaurants, it's like a whole other world. We might have to do a little shopping here, you know, treat ourselves. Okay, confession time. I may have gotten a little carried away in Greenbelt. Those designer sneakers were calling my name, but hey, gotta enjoy the finer things in life, right? Makati is definitely the place to do it. As the sun sets on Makati, the city transforms. The streets light up, the bars get packed, and the energy is electric. Makati knows how to party and we're here for it. From business deals to late-night adventures, Makati has it all. It's a city that never sleeps, and trust me, you won't want to either. Alright, changing gears a bit today, we're in San Juan, and this place is all about history. San Juan is one of the oldest cities in Metro Manila, and it's steeped in history. We're going to check out some historical landmarks, explore the local markets, and really get a feel for the city's rich heritage. First up, the San Juan City Hall. This beautiful building dates back to the Spanish colonial era, and it's a reminder of the city's long and storied past. You can feel the history just standing here. Next, we're heading to the Pinaglabanan Shrine. This is a memorial to the brave Filipinos who fought and died for their country's independence. It's a humbling experience to be here, to remember their sacrifice and honor their memory. Alright, time for a change of pace. We're at the Agora Market now, and this place is insane. It's a bustling marketplace with vendors selling everything from fresh produce to seafood to clothing. The sights, the sounds, the smells, it's an assault on the senses in the best way possible. We're going to grab some lunch, try some local delicacies, and soak up the atmosphere. What's up everybody? We're in Parañaque, a coastal city in Metro Manila. This place is known for its beautiful beaches, bustling local life, and of course the casinos. We're going to explore it all today. First up, the beach. Parañaque might not be the first place you think of when you think of beaches in the Philippines, but trust me, it's got some hidden gems. We're at the Coastal Mall Park right now, and the view is incredible. We're going to take a walk along the bay, enjoy the sea breeze, and maybe even catch a sunset. Okay, beach time is over. Now it's time to experience the local life. We're in a residential area now, and it's amazing to see how people live here. Kids are playing in the streets, vendors are selling food from their carts, and everyone seems to know each other. It's a world away from the glitz and glamour of the casinos, but it's just as fascinating. Alright, we can't come to Parañaque and not check out the casinos, right? We're at the City of Dreams Manila now, and this place is huge. They've got everything here: slots, table games, restaurants, shops, even a theater. Last stop on our Metro Manila adventure, Mandaluyong City. This place is a mix of everything: bustling shopping centers, residential areas, and even a bit of history thrown in. We're going to experience it all today. First up, we're hitting up the Shangri-La Plaza, one of the most popular shopping malls in Mandaluyong. They've got everything here from high-end fashion brands to local boutiques, restaurants, cinemas, you name it. We're going to do a little shopping, grab some lunch, and soak up the atmosphere. Okay, shopping is done. Time to check out a different side of Mandaluyong. We're in a residential area now, and it's amazing to see how people live here. There are parks, schools, local markets, everything you need for daily life. It's a nice change of pace from the hustle and bustle of the shopping malls. All right, last stop of the day, the Whack Whack Golf and Country Club. This exclusive club is a landmark in Mandaluyong, and it's a beautiful place to spend an afternoon. We're just going to take a walk around, enjoy the scenery, and maybe grab a drink at the clubhouse. Mandaluyong is a city of contrasts, but that's what makes it so interesting. From the high-end shopping malls to the local neighborhoods, there's something for everyone here. So there you have it, Metro Manila. From the bustling streets of Pasay to the historical landmarks of San Juan, from the coastal charms of Parañaque to the vibrant energy of Makati and Mandaluyong, this city has it all. I've been blown away by the energy, the culture, the food, and most importantly, the people. The Philippines has a special place in my heart now, and I can't wait to come back and explore more of this amazing country. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Metro Manila. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, peace out.